What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. It's been a little bit since I uploaded, but today we're starting out with my 1989 $400 Chevy Blazer, although I just got new wheels and tires put on it, so now it's like an $800 Chevy Blazer. Listen to how quiet this engine is. Just listen to it for a second. I don't know if you can tell, but it's so quiet. It's got a little over 200,000 on it, but the little 4.3 is run like a boss. I haven't done much of an update on this recently because, well, I haven't done anything to it. I've actually been out of the area, family, vacation, holidays, all that stuff. That's the reason for, not being as much up on my uploads, but it is snow outside today. Just a little bit. It's Pennsylvania. This is not really even snow. This is just like a flurry. But I haven't tried out the new tires yet, so that's what I'm excited about. We're going to go around and just take her through the woods a little bit and see how the new Cooper Discoverer ATs, right? Yeah, I kind of forgot what ones they were. We're going to check out how they do in the snow today. And then we're going to go do a Chevy Spark update. If you don't remember, if you're newer to the channel, I'm rebuilding a 2016 Chevy Spark. It's been a long process. Probably talk a little bit more about that later. But we'll go do a little bit of an update on that because I'm going to do some work on it here today. So, but first, let's go see how the Blazer with the new wheel and tire setup works. So, we are down in the woods here in the trail area of my property, and I made it. Well, I don't know if you can see back behind here. Here we go. I made it the whole way there in two-wheel drive, and I was actually videoing, but then my phone quit, and I think I lost the video. But I did that all in two-wheel drive, and I'll show you where I got stuck, and then I had to put it in four-wheel. So we were going forward right through there, and then, then we got stuck. But it did go in four-wheel, no issues there. And we're gonna try to keep going a little bit. I see some trees down up ahead, so hopefully we don't get. Oh man, okay, it's really rutted. But I know this is only $400, but I really don't want to destroy the thing. I'm not whistling diesel. The goal is to go through here and make it out on the other end. That's the goal. But I don't know that that's gonna happen. Not sure. It's big ruts in front of me too. She went through there like a boss. Okay. Hit something there. We got a little bit of a big stick situation coming up here. Uh-oh. I stopped. I shouldn't have stopped. These new tires are working pretty good. I'm happy. At the end of this trail, there's a good-sized hill going up. I'm slightly concerned because this is all where you definitely slide into something you don't want to slide into. So I'm going to try to stay up as much as possible and get a little speed going here. If we make it up this hill, that will be a miracle. Actually, I'm going to have to drive here. Oh! We're not going to make it up this hill. Because that's our way out. Right there. I haven't been down in here since it was logged. And I guess that's where they put all the brush. Which is right in the trail. So I'm going to have to turn around. Alright, but first let me just walk up here and just make sure that there's no way around these trees. And there's not. That's like the trail, the opening right there is where we were going out. Obviously not now. Shoot. Okay. think, without moving a bunch of stuff, and I'm not really in the market for that today. I could make it up right here if this tree, this one wasn't here. I don't have anything to like pull that tree out with anyways with me. And I still can't make it. So there's another path that way. It comes up, but it comes up right through here, right into the trees, so it doesn't get me past them. And so a lot of deer tracks. We have tons of deer in the woods. Well, all right, yeah, I'm just gonna have to turn around. Look how good this thing looks sitting here. Just love it. I also love to get out of the trail too. I'm gonna have to back out. I'm gonna have to back out here. All right, so we're just a little bit stuck. I don't know if we're really stuck or not. But there's some logs on this side, and what happened is I wasn't really paying attention, and I saw this nice little area right there to turn around, and I was like, oh, that's great. But then I went over the log, and there was a bunch of more logs, and so, well, now it's stuck a little bit. I don't have any gloves, so like digging out's gonna really suck, but I think we'll get it here. I just gotta rock her back and forth. That's right, yeah, I just gotta rock her back and forth. I think she's coming out this time, I think. Yep, there we go. Got it. Now I'm like way in the wrong spot. Okay, hold up. I gotta pull forward a little bit. Part of the problem is it's very rutted out right here. I'm up on something there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'm like way out of the trail, I think. Let's see here. We're gonna try to go forward up this way. There we go. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky. Now that's what I was going up on right there, that dirt pile. Okay. So instead we're just going out the whole way in reverse. That's what's gonna happen here. We made it out! No real issues. Other than that one time I got a little bit stuck, but that was mainly because I was trying to film. I was getting my phone out to actually film, and that's when I wasn't paying attention. So, that was driver error. Don't blame it on the BLAZER. No, it worked. It worked so good. It worked so good. I want to keep going, but I have so much other stuff to do today. I got to go get this spark together. So let's head over that way. And then there'll be a real test for the new tires because my brother's driveway, where we work on the spark, is super steep and it hasn't been plowed yet. So I might go there and might be stuck there forever. I don't know. And we're here. This is a spark we rebuilt. I don't know if you've even seen that on the channel yet. Can't remember if I mentioned it or not, but we did. I didn't film it. Here's the hill. I don't know how steep it's gonna look on camera, but it's pretty steep here. It feels pretty good. I think we'll get out just fine. All right, no drama. We're gonna be out. We're gonna be just fine. Well, we made it here to our 2016 Chevy Spark rebuild. You haven't seen this too much because we had a big issue with getting parts because of the whole strike thing, and then the dealership we were working with it said that they were ordered, but they really weren't, and there was a whole thing. But we have a new bumper cover, new hood up on top there. You can see that we got a bunch of stuff done here. It's like pretty much ready to go back together. We still need the crash bar down at the bottom. We did a new radiator. We actually got a new battery just put in today because it was dead as a doornail. New headlight on this side, new front tire because the other one was cut clean through. On the inside, while we still need to clean it up a little bit more, we have gotten a bunch of the nastiness out of here. The carpet's clean. We had this whole interior ripped out actually because of how dirty it was. There's just nothing we can do. Like that seat over there, you can see has some stains on it. There's nothing we can do about it, at least with our skill level. Carpet is actually really clean other than we've just been getting in and out here because it's winter and kind of nasty, but no warning lights on the dash, any issues really at all. It runs and drives like a top. So really excited to get this guy back on the road. And speaking of that, I'm actually not going to work on this in this video. We're going to do one of the start to finish rebuild videos again for this one when it's all said and done. I just want to give you a little update because I assume you thought that we had dropped this car off of a cliff, which I almost did like 7 times because of how much of a nightmare of a rebuild it's been. It really has been. It's really been tough, actually. The car wasn't so bad. It had more damage than what we originally hoped, but it also just has been, you just can't get parts and just holidays and everything else. It's been a little tough, but we are going to get it done. We are definitely going to get it done, sold. If you want one, hit me up. I don't know why you'd want a Spark, but if you do, we are going to have one for cheap. With that being said, we are going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of off-roading with the Blazer and getting an update on the Spark, even though it's probably the least exciting rebuild we've ever done. And it's purple, which doesn't help matters either. It was so dirty inside, just so dirty. But thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, guys. Have a great day.